In today's digital world, we all know that a website page speed is important. A slow website can negatively affect your business in a number of ways. A slow loading site can frustrate users and lead to higher bounce rates. But did you know that page speed is one of the key factors that can affect your overall SEO performance? In this video, we'll discuss why page speed matters for SEO and how you can improve it. Page speed, why it matters for SEO. If a page takes too long to load, visitors will likely leave before they even read any content on the page, resulting in fewer conversions and potentially reduced rankings for that page. Search engine algorithms also take into account the loading times of websites when ranking them for relevant keywords. Pages that load faster tend to rank higher than those that take longer to display content, as they are more likely to offer a better experience for visitors. Finally, faster loading times can also help reduce bounce rate, which is important for improving your overall rankings and search engine results. When visitors find a website that takes forever to load, they will most likely click away from the page altogether. This can have a negative impact on your website's overall SEO performance. What is a good page speed? Nowadays, website visitors are expecting pages to load in no longer than 3 seconds. If it takes longer, they may become irritated and exit your site without even viewing the content you have spent hours creating. What is page speed optimization? Page speed optimization is the process of improving a website's loading times by ensuring that the code and other elements are optimized for faster loading. There are a number of different factors that can cause a website to load slowly. In order to improve the speed of your website, it is important to identify which elements are causing the slow loading times and then take steps to improve them. Here are some ways you can improve your page speed. 1. Optimize images and multimedia files. Heavy images or multimedia files can negatively affect the speed of the page. This is because they take longer to load, which can slow down the entire website. So reducing their file size can have a big impact on your page speed. You can compress images without compromising on quality using an image compression tool. You can also use a better image format such as WebP that has smaller file sizes. 2. Remove unwanted plugins. When it comes to page speed, too many plugins can be a major culprit. This is because plugins add extra code to the website, which can slow down the page. Additionally, plugins can conflict with each other, which can also slow down the page. So, remove any plugins that are of no use to you. 3. Optimize CSS and JavaScript delivery. Excessive code on the page can also slow down the page speed. This is because code takes up bandwidth and processing time, which can slow down the page. This means removing unnecessary characters like whitespace, comments, and line breaks from your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. Minify or optimize your CSS and JavaScript files. This will reduce the file size and help your pages load faster. 4. Avoid slow web hosting. Poor hosting can also cause a slow website, which in turn could lead to slow page speed. This is because low-performing web hosting providers often have limited bandwidth and storage space, which can affect the speed of the website. Always choose a faster hosting service provider for your website. 5. Keep plugins and themes updated. Outdated themes and plugins can also cause a slow website. This is because outdated software and plugins may not be optimized for page speed. Additionally, they may have security vulnerabilities that could be exploited by hackers. You can easily avoid this problem by just keeping software, themes, and plugins up to date. 6. Leverage browser caching. Another way to improve page speed is by enabling browser caching. This will store certain static resources such as images, JavaScript, and CSS files on a user's computer so they don't have to be downloaded each time they access the page. Caching these elements drastically improves loading times for returning visitors. It also lessens the workload on servers so your site can function faster and smoother. 7. Avoid third-party scripts. Third-party scripts are elements on a website that are not hosted by the website owner. This includes things like social media widgets, advertising scripts, and analytics scripts. These scripts can often slow down the loading of the page. This is because they can slow down the loading of the page, which can frustrate users and cause them to leave the page. Additionally, third-party scripts can conflict with each other, which can also slow down the loading of the page. Therefore, minimizing and optimizing these third-party scripts can help your page's performance. 8. Use a CDN. Using a CDN can help improve your page speed. A CDN is a network of servers that deliver content to users based on their geographic location. By using a CDN, you can ensure that users around the world receive content quickly and efficiently. By following the tips and strategies outlined in this video, you can significantly improve the speed of your website. Remember, page speed is an important factor when it comes to SEO and can have a big impact on your website's performance, so it is worth taking the time to make sure that your website is running as efficiently as possible. So, are you tired of slow loading times on your website? Start implementing these techniques and see the benefits for yourself. Taking the steps to optimize page speed can give you a major advantage when competing for visibility in search results. Need help to optimize your website page speed performance? Simply visit SEOsingaporeservices.org and request for a quote today.